Israel-Hamas conflict reached its 500th day this week. Reconstruction in Gaza following the war is projected to cost over $50 billion. Apple and its suppliers have established manufacturing plants in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. European leaders, led by Emmanuel Macron, convened in Paris to discuss a robust peace plan and security guarantees for Ukraine. The 2025 Prayag Mahakumbh Mela is unique due to a celestial alignment that occurs once every 144 years, attracting an estimated 400 to 500 million devotees. The World Government Summit is scheduled to take place between February 18th and 20th, 2025, as directed by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. The Tamil Nadu government allocated 9,000 crores for the Coimbatore Metro project in 2023. Russian and U.S. officials initiated ceasefire negotiations over the Ukraine conflict in Riyadh, excluding Ukraine and other European powers.
The US and UK refused to sign the Paris AI Action Summit's declaration on inclusive AI. The Tamil Nadu government allocated 9,000 crores rupees for the Coimbatore Metro project in 2023. Owners Association has called on the government to lift the ban on 100% broken rice exports, citing surplus stocks and the potential to support African nations and Asian feed producers. Currently, 15% of iPhones are produced in India. Chennai Metro Rail Limited is responsible for operating the proposed Coimbatore Metro. The 61st Munich Security Conference focused on the Russia-Ukraine war, with discussions involving leaders like Volodymyr Zelensky and J.D. Vance. Coimbatore is set to have a new metro rail system, known as the Coimbatore Metro. Hamas plans to release 6 living Israeli hostages and the bodies of 4 others as part of a ceasefire deal. The Conservative Political Action Conference is taking place in Washington this week. On 15 February 2025, a crowd crush at New Delhi railway station resulted in at least 18 deaths and 15 injuries. The incident occurred due to train delays and overcrowding as passengers traveled to the Mahakumbh festival in Prayagraj. India is expected to produce 25% of the world's iPhones by 2027. Indigo is seeking to capitalize on the growing trend of outbound tourism by expanding its international destinations and enhancing its services. Egypt has postponed an emergency Arab summit addressing the Gaza situation to 4th March. Germany's snap election is anticipated to witness a surge in far-right populism, with the Alternative for Germany, AfD, expected to perform well. Friedrich Merz is a likely candidate for Germany's next chancellor amidst economic challenges. Tata Electronics is collaborating with Apple in iPhone manufacturing in India. Major corporate earnings from HSBC and Walmart are expected to be announced this week.